Hi everyone, I'm Altagracia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the 9th video of the Vlogmas series and we are gonna see if I'm smarter than a 3rd grader. Maybe I'm gonna also do the test to see if I'm smarter than 4th grader and 5th grader, but let's start with the 3rd grader. So yeah, let's go. So let's start with the questions. First question is, this equal what? 30 12 times 12 are 144, I think. Yeah, this is 100% minus 45% is 55. Only because I didn't want. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Japan is called what? The land of the rising sun, the land of the shooting star, the land of the dry palms, the land of the setting star. I think the rising sun. Rising sun, yes. What three-dimensional shape is shaped like a ball and a globe? A ball and a globe. A sphere. Yes. Thank you. What three-dimensional shape makes a house? I think it's cube and a pyramid. Yes. The capital of the USA is what? Washington DC. And yes. What do flowers need? Flowers need soil, water, and sunlight. Yes. What thing is reversible? All the above, I think. Oh no, only once, twice. Okay. Which one is irreversible? Seed to flowers. Okay. What can repel magnetism? And do grass have roots? Yes. How many pounds does a ton have? 10,000? 2,000. No. The rule for gravity is what comes up must go down. Yes. What's after the habitat? None of them. Environment. Meteor are most likely are stars. Space rock. Oh. Paper is made out of trees. Table is made out of wood. Yes. We need to what to stay healthy? Exercise. The matter we breathe is called oxygen. Let's see. Let's see if okay. Okay. I got a score 65 out of 100. Out of 13 questions, I answered 7 questions wrong. Yeah, let's see now if I'm smarter than a 4th grader. Actually, I found another test to see if I'm smarter than a 3rd grader. So let's do that before we go to the 4th grader test. First question is, your rich uncle wants to give you 100 every day for the next 3 days. How much will you have in the end? 300. Yeah. You just Baked a fresh apple pie, but your big cousin Hungry Marty just ate 45% of the entire thing. What percent of the pie is left? 55. What is the capital of the USA? New York, Washington DC, California, Los Angeles. Washington DC. How many sides does an isosceles triangle have? 3. What weighs more, 1 pound of water or 1 pound of ice? It has the same. The weight is the same. You have $20. You give $9 to your friend John and 5 to your other friends John and George. How much is left? 6. How many consonants are there in the word cat? 2. Old Farmer Tom gives you 5 apples 3 times over. How many apples is that? 5 times 3 are 15. So, what did Columbus discover while sailing the ocean blue, America? If you mix blue and yellow together, what colors does it make? Not red and green, black. Huh? You have 36 chocolate and 6 friends. You want to divide your chocolates between them. How many chocolate does each friend get? 5. 6. Where does paper come from? Trees. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 6, 10. How many vowels does the word underground have? 4. What type of triangle has 3 unequal sides? It's actually solid. Oh. And the results are 12 of 15, 80% smarter than a 3rd grader. Also for the 4th grader test, I have more than one test, so let's start with the first one, which are 20 questions. All living things need light. Huh? It doesn't start well. Foods rich in carbohydrate are called giving foods. Energy. Yeah. First teeth of child are called milk teeth. Yeah. Blank, crush or food. I think it's just down here. There are canines. A premolar. Blank holds our teeth. Wire? Gums. Okay. Which food contains sugar? All of these. Orange are good source of vitamins A, C, B, D. C. Yeah. Proteins are blank food. Bodybuilding? Yeah. Blank rich food are good for your teeth. No, I made it wrong. Sitting in the blank for 15-20 minutes a day also provide you vitamin D. Sun. Blank is the hardest substance in the human body. Bones. I don't even know what it is. So, next question is, blank cannot digest in our body. Rocket. All of these. Obesity leads blank disease. Heart. Yeah. The innermost portion of the tooth is called crown. Well, which teeth are used for tearing food like meat? Canines? Yeah. Which microbe grows on dead plants and animals and also on rotten food? Bacteria? Food. How do you feel if you do not get food for a long time? Put A and B. Yes. Which food gives you quick energy? None of these. Glucose. Okay. Children need more blank than adult. Proteins. I got 60 out of 10. So I did worse than the first third grade test. So yeah, let's go to the next fourth grade test and let's see if I do better there. Let's start the second fourth grade test that I think it's mostly science, so I think I will do very poorly also here. How many days does it take for the Earth to make one revolution around the Sun? 365 days. C. What are germs? Microscopic organisms. Yes. Which of these kind of system control your heartbeat? Motion. What? Electric. It's incorrect. An electrical system control your heart. Using electrical signal to squeeze its walls. When the walls contract, blood is pumped into your circulatory system, which is a network of vessels that carry blood to and from the rest of your body. Okay. Yeah. What organs work with your heart to supply your body with oxygen? Lungs. Which of these does eating food provide to a person? What is the force that pulls any two objects towards each other? Electricity? No. Gravity is the force by which a planet or other body's drawn object towards its center. The force of gravity keeps all of the planets in orbit around the sun. Okay, I didn't know that. A Ferris wheel is an example of what kind of simple machine? Wheel and axle. See? Yeah. What is a hypothesis? An estimate? No, a tentative assumption. A hypothesis is something that not proven but assumed to be true for purpose of argument or further study or investigation. They are then tested through experimentation. Next is, in what state of matter is water when it is frozen into ice? Solid. See? What is migration? Movement from one place to another. What equipment is best for viewing cells? I'm pretty sure it's microscope. Yes. What microscopic organism is often called the building block of life? I think atom is cell. All living beings are made of cells. Some are only made of one cell, while humans are made of approximately 37 trillion depending on your size. Okay, yeah. What is the term for an animal that primarily eats meat? It is carnivore. See? What is a mass? The amount of matter. In Newtonian physics, mass can be generalized as the amount of matter in an object. It is also the m in Albert Einstein's famous equation E equals mc2. Which of these do you add to baking soda to make a model volcano erupt? Vinegar? Yes. Which of these words means protecting resources? Conservation? Yes. Which of these can you use to separate certain metals from one another? Magnet. The magnetic field is invisible, but it's responsible for the most notable property of a magnet. A force that pulls on another ferromagnetic material such as iron and attracts or repels other magnets. Okay, I didn't know that. Rain, sleet, hail, and snow are all forms of what? Uh, Precipitation. Yes. Which of these orbits the Earth? The Sun. The fifth largest moon in the solar system. Earth's moon is the only place beyond Earth where humans have set foot. Okay. What is lightning? Electricity. Yes, let's see. I pass with a D. You answered 13 out of 20 correct. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoy it and you like it. If you like it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and comment if I should do another test, another school test or any kind of test. So yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow with the 10th video of the Vlogmas series. So yeah, bye.